Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Firstly, all of you are going to ask me what lipstick I'm wearing because I got that on my Instagram a lot. It's basically the Lime Crime look and it's in the shade Feelings. So yeah, it's really good. I tried it out a few weeks ago and it literally lasted me the whole entire day. I didn't have any problems with it. It didn't budge. Like I literally topped up maybe once only because I drank and ate, but that was like 7 hours later. So it really lasted. I feel like it's one of the best liquid lipsticks out there for sure. Because it's just such a nice, like, it's like a powdery, like, do you know what I mean? It's not like a liquid. It doesn't have that tight feeling on your lips, so it's really nice. And I use that with my MAC lip liner in the shade Cherry. Today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial on how to do my waves that I usually do. Like I do a wavy curly look and you guys always ask me, so I wanted to do it. First I kind of prep my skin with some sea salt, only because my hair is very thick, heavy, and it is straight. So for anyone with straight hair, you need to get that coarse texture. So the best thing to do is either get mousse and apply it on wet hair and blow dry it out so it becomes really like, you know, it has that weird, like, look, it doesn't have that silky texture, do you know what I mean? But that type of hair is the one that's going to hold your curls for you. So the one I usually use, my hair's like 2 days old, so it's perfect I suppose, is Toni & Guy. It smells beautiful. So what I usually do is put this and mousse through and blow dry it out. There's also got to be beach mat, which I use as well. It's really good. It gives you that like texture to your hair, so your curls will hold a bit longer, because I know the problem with straight hair is as soon as you leave the house, bam, it's like back to straight hair again. But this at least it gives you kind of a wavy look towards the end. Like your curls are eventually going to fall out no matter what, unless you have curly coarse hair that you can blow dry and it lasts for like 4 days. If you have straight hair, it is bound to fall out, and you guys have to accept that firstly. I do like a vintage curl look today. So yeah, just again, I'm just literally taking the bottom half, so this much first, with my little crocodile clip thing and pin it up. So now I'm gonna go in with my Got To Be and I'm just gonna spray it on my hair. I'm gonna use my Bombay hair wand, is what I usually always use, and I always use the biggest wand. I find this is the best one. It's really hot, so I'm going to move it away from my face now. Is I figure out what parting I'm doing. So for me, I'm doing it this way. I want the curls to go like that, so I'm going to be doing it away from my hair, because when I brush it out it's just gonna, you know, all that jazz. So I'm literally doing all my curls in one direction. Okay, you just kind of hold it really. You just hold it, get your spray it down, yeah, and I kind of just place it on my shoulder, and so it just holds and I don't have to hold it for like years and whatever. So on this side obviously you're bringing it around this way because you're curling it the other way, so on this side it's going to be this way. I'm just going to spray it, hold it, put it on my shoulder. Get a little normal brush and just tease the ends. And what you do, you pull it 90 degrees and you tease. Yeah? You don't have to do it with the best like tools or whatever. And then, again, spray again, spray all of it. I do take quite big sections, I don't want to sit there for years like trying to curl it out, do you know what I mean? So yeah. What you say? What you say?
Sitting in a crowded place, don't
parting there. Do you see that? Yeah, so that's my parting. I'm just going to pin this now, this little section here, away. Like that. And now you can kind of take smaller sections because it's the top part. So this is where your main focus is. I don't know. Do you guys kind of see that, right? Okay. So now the next bit is this top part. And I'm going to do the back, the bit at the back first. So I'm literally going to halve this. So this will go forward, this bit, and this will all be teased and at the back. And curl it so it's like this. So you're literally rolling it back. You've been drinking too much wine. Don't know what you're saying. That you've done all that, you've got this. This is going to go over. So we are going to do this in sections. So yeah, I'm just taking it, clipping this back and getting this. And we are going away from your hair. I'm guessing you're not from around, yeah, 'cause I don't know what you're saying. Now I'm going to take the last bit. Wishing we could start communicate. Okay, now once that's done, hold this bit for a bit and spray. Okay. And now again, back comb. Hold it, back comb. And you just kind of smooth this out. And then you basically just shape this quiff bit. So I'm just gonna literally get this chunk and just shape it like that. You guys kind of see, so this is lifted and it's just shaped nice, so it just curves around my face. So it drops nicely, because that's what I want. And I'm gonna comb the back of this as well, so it does the same. So I'm literally just going to take two grips. Two grips is fine. And spray this first down. Just about there, because I don't want the whole thing gone in. Yeah. So yeah, now I will leave it out. I don't want to brush it out just yet because I want it to last a bit longer. So it will just clump together and you'll have these nice retro waves. That's the finished look. I hope you guys like the tutorial. It's like a nice retro 1920s, like very old school glam waves. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.